With the project manager of Hiraya, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Mr. Marvin Atienza. We also have the co-producer of Hiraya, Mr. Russell D. Maswerte din tayo, kasama ho natin sila sa Hiraya, and kasama rin natin ngayon ang magkapatid po na professional car drifters. We have Miss Ashley and Arian Cezon. Let's also acknowledge their father, si Dr. Drift, kasama din natin. Sir, thank you so much for joining us. And of course, meron po tayong kasama sa isa sa mga artist po natin for Hiraya. We're with the artist, songwriter, and music producer. Ang dami ho nitong talent. Ladies and gentlemen, Kim Leo. And also joining us this afternoon, mula ho sa Paramotor Philippines, isa ho sa mga piloto po natin. Aga rin dumating. Thank you so much. And please acknowledge Arthur Austria, Mr. Marvin Atienza. Marvin.
Ayan guys. First of all, we would like to thank you for coming today. We understand that we are almost a week from the event, but we sobrang na-appreciate po namin na nandito kayo ngayon. Lalo na sa mga video partners natin, Billionario, ABS-CBN, Kapamilya Online Word, Business Mirror Push, Soundcheck Manila, and all of you guys. Maraming pong salamat. The Hiraya Music Fest is a festival that we aim for. Hiraya is not just as a music festival, but it is a festival na magbibigay na maabot natin yung mga pangarap natin. From the root word itself, Hiraya. Yun po yan. Aspiration, hope, and dreams. So again po, maraming salamat for being here and for being part as a media team of Hiraya. Thank you po.
Kasama rin natin si Flo G. We're gonna be joined with Dionella. Mga bigate po yung mga artists natin for Hiraya, of course. Juan Carlos will also be joining us. And of course, Rob Dania, the heartthrob. Kasama rin natin si Earl Agustin. At tutog din para sa atin si Amiel Sol. Nakatapos na yung mga concert nila, no? And of course, we'll be having Raya with us at Hiraya. We also have Bandang Lapis and the talented Sunkiss Lola. Dami ho ninyong pwedeng abangan. Kasama rin natin si DJ Lovesy, the very beautiful DJ Lovesy. We're also with Quattro. Makakasama din po natin, of course, si Carl Timbol. And of course, Sir Kim Leo. Baka mamaya pwede tayo pasample ni Sir Kim, ha? Alright.
Yeah, definitely po. When we come up with the lineup, we definitely consider kung sino ba yung mga trends ngayon. So that is one thing. At the same time po talaga, we're trying to aim for all of the generations. Not only the Gen Zs, the millennials. Kumbaga lahat talaga ini-aim natin na mag-enjoy sila dito sa event natin. So, yeah, considering yung mga sina Earl Agustin, and so they are definitely one of the choices that we had when we came with this set of artists for the Hiraya Music Fest.
Thank you so much, Marvin, ma'am. Thank you so much, bro. From Soundcheck Manila, maraming salamat. Alright, yes po. From Billboard PH.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Stephanie. To the organizer, what was the main idea behind creating the Hiraya Night Sky Festival? At what point did you decide that Hiraya should be a multi-experience event, not just a music festival? Thank you.
And that's a great question po. So, actually, before having Hiraya, we've been with different events, with different music festivals. So, we came up since we are originally yung organizer of the Hot Air Balloons. So, our team created this type of event na why not instead of we providing the balloons, the hot air balloons, why not do it on our own? So at the same time, since we have a lot of friends in the in this field or industry, like for example the drifters, the paramotors. So I think that's the difference with Hiraya Music Festival with the other music festivals. So it's not only a showcase of Filipino talents na for music. It's a showcase of Filipino talents on a different fields and on a different scale. So at the same time, gusto nating ipakilala lalo na Pampanga is really the center of the hot air balloon, at the same time center of other skilled artists like the drifters, the paramotors, and different artists. So yun po.
There you go. Thank you so much po. Again, Uber PH, maraming salamat, Sir Marvin. Thank you. Riders PH. We have a question from Riders PH.
I'll just ask.
Sir.
No more. Thank you. Paano nyo ginawang, kasi Pampanga, no? But I'm sure gusto nyo din makakuha ng manonood from Maynila. Meron ba kayong ka-tie up na transport or accommodations? Kasi especially 2 days to.
For that one po, wala kaming katayap na transport. But looking at the demographics of what's happening with the social media, may mga may mga transportation group na sila na mismo yung nagko-contact, sila na mismo yung nagvo-volunteer na, hey, available kami dito, available kami na you can reach us through this contact, and then
So, meron.
yung back and forth, yeah, point to point, may mga ganun po tayo, mga transportation groups.
Tapos Russell, napansin ko na super affordable yung ticket. Talagang sinadya yung ganun, ano?
Yes, no, dahil maraming na nag-music festival ngayon. So, hindi tayo sumasabay sa mga yung pricing nila. So, ang tinatarget kasi din natin dito yung mga Gen Z na gustong mag-enjoy pero hindi sila enough yung kanilang budget. So, yung tickets namin talagang pinanting namin sa kanila para maabot nila yung pangarap nila dito sa Hiraya.
And my last question to the Season Sisters, ano? How is it na magpa-participate kayo sa isa? Is this your first time participating sa isang music festival?
So good afternoon po. Once again, I'm Haran Season and isa po ako sa mga drifters na magpe-perform on Hiraya. So to answer your question po, actually this is not our first time po. So we've been around, we've been to La Union, Batangas. So whenever they have their festivities po, so we're getting invited and it has become a highlight po talaga sa mga nagiging event nila. And we're very happy na at the very heart of Pampanga kami ay magpe-perform. Ayun, to share our skills and talent with everyone. So ayan, excited kami and I'm gonna be with my sister and si Dr. Jeff. Do you have any?
Both days yun, ano? 1 and 2?
Yes, day 1 and day 2 po. So we'll be running from morning till 11 a.m. to 5 or 5 p.m.
Salamat.
Maraming salamat, sir. Thank you so much to our Season Sisters. Thank you. At saka yung atin po palang location, Clark Global Cities, very accessible sa expressway, no? So, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil hindi, siguro matatraffic yung sa mismong araw na, no? Pag nagpa-park na ho kayo looking for it, there are plenty of hotels in Clark. So, no hassle po sa atin na magpupunta doon. Alright, next we have Billionario. Thank you so much for coming very early, ma'am.
Thank you so much po. Hi, I'm Just po from Billionario. Just to clarify, para po doon sa mga gustong mag-enjoy from Manila and kung saan man, is the festival gonna be free? May mga entrance fees ba silang babayaran? And yeah, yung any other activities po na paano po ba siya mag-work? May mga activities din po ba para doon sa mismong mag-enjoy na sila mismo yung mag-cooperate, should I say?
So the festival is a 2-day festival. So it's on January 17 and 18. So it's a ticketed event. As low as 500 pesos, you can enjoy the whole activities that we offer. So as early as 6 a.m. po, mag-start na tayo mag-tether ng mga balloons natin. 20 to 30 hot air balloons will be on display on Hiraya Music Fest. And then at the same time, sunod-sunod na po yung event natin. From after 8 a.m., yung mga paramotors natin until 11 a.m. And then yung mga drifters natin. And also, we do have a car show. So, there are a different, yung mga car show na mga car enthusiasts natin dyan. Yun, makikita nila yung mga different cars, different type of cars na talagang pang show performance level. So, yun, a whole lot of activities, not only for mga adults, at yung mga kids, pwede doon. Lahat yun, ihinanda namin para sa buong family.
And just one more question po. This might be too early to ask, but do you have any reminders for those people na pupunta po doon, may mga kailangan nilang dalhin, you know?
We do posting naman on our social media, but syempre, once you go there, we highly recommend na yung mga kits nyo, yung mga susutin nyo talagang for comfortable para hindi kayo mahirapan dun sa venue natin. But we also put mga tents, mga silungan para sa mga attendees natin. So,
Thank you so much, ma'am. Also, maraming salamat. And just a quick trivia, ang ating mga kasamahan from Paramotor Philippines just recently competed sa SEA Games, correct? Ayan, so grabe, palakpakan po natin sila. And during Hiraya, pwede ho kayo mag-tandem na paramotor, so you could actually experience that too, okay? So next to ask questions would be from DZMM, Arangkada Balita, FMR. Ladies and gentlemen, DJ Jayo.
Hi! Magandang hapon po sa inyo. And first, thank you for inviting us. I'm from DZMM, 92.3 and Arangkada Balita, DJ Jayo po. I remember lang po, I've been hosting mga hot air balloon events and concerts from the past. Like, lagi po siyang tumatapat sa February kasi parang 'di ba yung concept nila is yung laging love is in the air, ganyan. What makes January 17 and 18 po na special na bakit hindi po sa ibang mga dates po, sir?
Yeah, that's a great question. So, bakit January? Actually, January kasi it's the first week of the year. I think ito yung isang malaking pasabog that we can provide after the New Year. So, at the same time kasi parang strategically na mas maganda yung, lalo na sa area namin, sa Port Nueva City. Yung area niya is open space. So, at the same time, kapag yung mga ganitong maganda yung klima. Hindi siya mainit, hindi siya ganun kainit. So, that's why we push on January. But hopefully for this year, on the next upcoming lives, sana December. Originally, December talaga. Para kasi what we're planning was, ano ba yung pupunta natin pag December? Yun talaga yung plano natin. So, hopefully by this 2026, we can do it in December.
Question po, lahat po kayo na mga producers po are all from Pampanga po?
Yes, that's
Opo.
correct.
Tapos marami na po bang, can you brief us po kung ano na po yung, aside from Araya, ano pa po yung mga events, concerts na mga na-mount and na-produce na po ng company po ninyo para lang for the right hand?
Actually, this is the first under Hiraya. But we are the same one na nag-handle din ng Pico Loco. Pico Loco, if you're familiar with that. And at the same time kasi, like what you said earlier, we're the one kasi producing the hot air balloons. So, the other, if may alam kayong ibang festivals na nagdi-display ng hot air.
Okay.
Sabi ko na yan.
Starts with an A.
Kaya magkakasama, kaya familiar.
So this is the first Hiraya.
Wow.
First
Yeah, this is
Hiraya.
the first Hiraya. Yeah, this is the first Hiraya, under Hiraya events.
Yes, sir. Maraming salamat.
Thank you,
And,
DJ. Yeah.
more events na po
Thank you
sa
po.
inyo.
Thank you, DJ.